Come with me to Centenary Book Bazaar, which is a big thrift book sale that happens in Shreveport, Louisiana. So this is kind of how the tables were laid out. This is a mystery section clip, and all the books on this table is $1. This is a 2-day sale, and they consistently rotate throughout the books for the weekend. This was a new release table. Two that caught my eye on this was the Leigh Bardugo book and Heartless Hunter. On this table, we have the ethnic books, and there was a lot of Toni Morrison. There was the Black Klansman that I saw, and also another one that just happened to caught my eye was, I want to say it was called Black Rednecks, White Liberals. I think I have a clip. Oh, there we go. If anyone's read this, let me know what they thought about it. This is the teen section. We saw Legendborn, and it was $2.75. I love Legendborn. I own it, so I didn't pick it up. I hope someone got a chance to grab that because that was an amazing find. Then another teen section, I saw the Children of the Blood and Bone and the Cassandra Clare books. Also, I will do a haul after this on what I did purchase. It was amazing.